Hi guys and girls. I just had a moment of revelation. I just wanted to get a spare part from a microwave, actually a transformer to convert. These are nice hefty well made transformers which I've just pulled out of this microwave. And I put a shout out locally and said, anyone got any old microwaves they don't want? And a bunch of people answered, said, yeah, mine's not working very well, it's not going very well, blah blah blah. Fine. So I thought, okay, Magnetron's probably gone. So I got a couple of microwaves, and this one I thought, oh, it looks so good, it's a shame. I was hoping to have a really faulty one and pull it apart rather than wreck something that was working, because it just seems wrong. But anyway, so I tested it, and sure enough, it was cooking okay for a minute or two, and then getting too hot and cutting out. And mounted on the top of here, I've taken it off now, was a temperature sensor, so that if the enclosure gets too hot, it turns the power off to the microwave. Okay, but it wasn't until I'd stripped it down and I'd taken it apart that I kind of realised what was wrong with it. And I'll show you what's wrong. And I bet you haven't checked your microwave for this if it's not performing well. But look at this. If I just turn it up, this is 6 years old apparently. But look at the air vents in the bottom. In fact, they were worse clogged. When I got it, it was absolutely blocked up, and you can see it's completely blocked. And this was blocked as well with fluff, and the air holes are blocked up. And what happens is that the fan on the inside, you've seen all this fluff now, you can see the air vents are blocked. The fan on the inside, where is it? This fan sits in here, sucking in air through the vents at the bottom, through this baffle system which I've removed, and out through the vents at the top, and also through the oven, okay, through these vents. So it's the ventilation for the oven to stop it overheating, because there's a lot of energy going in there and it'll get too hot. So I just thought, if your microwave is not performing very well, then just check the underneath to make sure the vents aren't actually, look at that. Right old muff, isn't it? Yeah, well, I thought you found it interesting. Anyway, check the vents on the underside of your microwave and keep them clean, because this was getting too hot, and that's the reason why this was condemned by its owner. It wasn't the magnetron, it wasn't the transformer electronics, it was the fluff. Get rid of your belly button fluff in the bottom of your microwave. I hope you found that interesting. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit the titty button down the bottom and hit the subscribe and the notify link, and leave me a like as well, because I like likes. Take care, stay safe, bye.